It's time to do an air filter change. What we're gonna do for our Burkes, we have our two little tabs right here. You're gonna open them right on up. And some of them have a little slide. You're just gonna slide it. It's gonna come on down. Now we do use 20 by 20 air filters here. And right here is an airflow arrow. So this guy has to go inward. So we're going to take our old filter out, toss that right on out of here. Check that arrow. It's going to go place right on in here. Just like so. Nice and tight fit. Close her on up. Lock it up. And that's how we change our air filters. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the office. Thank you.